LP Structure from LP Outdoors, your trusted marquee tent and louvered pergola solutions partner since 2005. Our team has over 20 years of experience in designing, engineering, and sales, product range, party tents, event tents, pagoda tents, curved tents, louvered pergolas, bringing you unique and elegant outdoor events, weddings, catering, trade shows, conferences, and presentations. The Louvered Pergola Series products are suitable for parks, cafes, terraces, courtyards, and can you bring a relaxed and comfortable outdoor experience. In order to satisfy ever-growing customers' demand, we have expanded our workshop facilities, which now cover an area of 10,000 square meters with modern plant and equipment. All main manufacturing procedures, such as pipe cutting, welding and treating, galvanizing, jointer making, and tarpet cover sewing and heat sealing, digital imprints are completed in-house. We have thousands of projects in world, and our product solutions are highly praised by our partners for repurchase. Tailor-made, customized is our special advantage. Welcome to Colowitz and email us to communicate all details and confirm all specifications. Thank you.